Hi, welcome to our assembly today. In the last assembly, we talked about anti-bullying, and we talked about what bullying meant. And we said that it was about hurting somebody in different ways. It might be because of the way they look, or because of things they like to do, or because things they believe in, or the way they feel about themselves. And we said that it was deliberate. People mean to do it. A bully means to upset or hurt somebody, and it happens again and again and again. It's not just about one falling out, it's about where it happens again and again and again. And we said that the way to behave is actually to show respect. Okay, so we're going to talk a little bit about respect today and talk about what that means. And then, just like in the last assembly, there is a little bit of a video for you to watch about respect as well. So here we go. So instead of choosing bullying, we're choosing respect. That's the important thing. We're going to make the right choice. So respect is a really important word, and it's to have due regard for someone's feelings, wishes, or rights. And that means that we accept that other people are different to us. It might be your friend likes playing with Lego and you don't. Do we say, okay, cool, that sounds fun, but it's not really what I like to do? Fair enough. Or do we go, Lego, that's horrible, you're silly? Oh, we know it's the first one. It might be that your favorite band is different to the favorite band of everybody else in school. It might be that you are a huge fan of one particular type of music and nobody else likes it, and that's okay. It might be that you believe in a particular religion and you might be the only person who follows that religion in the class, and everybody else goes, do you know what, fair enough, that's okay. You can be a Muslim if you want. You can be a Sikh if you want. It doesn't matter, because there's no outsiders at Wincham. It might be that you have a different colour skin. And if you've got a different colour skin, then somebody might say to you, in order to show respect, hey, let's go play football, because we're not treating you any differently. Or, hey, let's, I don't know, do you want to play Zombie Tig? Whatever, it doesn't matter, because we're treating you with the same sort of respect as we show anybody else, because there's no outsiders at Wincham. Okay? It might be that there's any number of other things. You might be differently able because your body works in a different way. And we show respect and say, do you know what? Let's go play a game together, because there's no outsiders at Wincham. Okay, so we are talking about making sure that we are respectful regardless of our differences. Okay, we know that everybody is different. We've got different skin color, we've got different beliefs, we've got different gender identities, we've got different sexual orientation, we've all got different ages, but we all get treated with respect. We all listen to each other, and we all talk to each other. We all share ideas together, and that way we treat other people the way that we want to be treated. So you need to think to yourself, okay, here's the thing. You think to yourself, do I want somebody else to treat me badly? Do I want somebody else to call me names? Do I want somebody else to punch me or kick me or call me funny names because I've got no hair? No. So I'm not going to call somebody else funny names because of the way they look. Okay? So that's the way we need to think about this at Wincham. We treat other people the way that we want to be treated. It's about being respectful. So there we go. It's nice and easy. We treat other people in that way. We show them respect, and no matter what the differences are, we say, yeah, okay, fair enough. Now let's go play a game. Let's go play football or whatever. It's dead easy. Really, really simple. That's it. Just treat people the way that you want to be treated. So I'm going to stop there, and your teacher's going to show you another short video now. They've got the link to that that's been sent to them. So I will leave that with you, and we are going to talk a little bit more about how we can do that and some of the things that we can do when things go wrong, when bullying actually happens, in the next assembly. Bye-bye.